My Trainers app is an application template that personal trainers and fitness professionals from around the world can use to edit and create their own personal app. Trainers can input their own logo, diets, exercises, workouts, interval timers, notes, physical evaluations, and much more into the app using our easy-to-use back-end editing program. No IT or programming degrees necessary. Trainers can then invite their clients to download their app and use it to map progress with training and diet diaries, as well as weekly progression photo albums. Clients can also use the app as a point of reference for when they're not with their trainer by searching exercises and workouts or selecting a workout on the interval timer that has been uploaded by their trainer. Application development is expensive and can take months of working closely with graphic design and programming development teams. Not only is My Trainers app the perfect way to save money, time, and headaches when building an app, but it's also the most complete physical training and monitoring app available on the market today. Better still, trainers make a commission on each and every download of their own app. With My Trainers app, the power is in your hands to create your very own mobile application for your clients to download and enjoy.